Hello everyone, you all are welcome in this today's video. So today we are here with the details of very amazing platform which is here to provide you financially stable future. So today we are talking about the details of world first blockchain based platform which is Century Network and the official website of which is www.centurycoin.io. So without taking a lot of your time, if we talk about a quick introduction details, so Century Network is a community platform. Century Network leadership team brings many years of experience in trading cryptocurrency and software development. Here with that, only you can see the details of all other basic terms like the cryptocurrency, evolution of currency and many others which has been clearly displayed on your screen. Moving ahead, directly if we talk about the team members of Century Network, so the creator and technical head is Mr. Robert Wilson from United Kingdom and Ms. Danica Thomas from UK itself. Friends, the ecosystem of Century Network is too wide, where it has around 12 total current projects and 4 projects are under development. 2 projects are already live. Now moving ahead, the details of Century Coin tokenomics has been displayed on your screen, where the coin name is Century Coin, ticket is CNT and the chain is BSC. Available supply of the coin is of 5 crore and the complete distribution has been displayed on your screen, where you can also see the allocations. And directly if we talk about some of the key points, so that is to provide employment opportunities to spread blockchain awareness and privacy engagement and growth. Now moving ahead, directly if we talk about the CNT coin partners, so they are the Century Network and CryptoX, and it's going to be released soon on CoinGo and CoinMarketCap, Layer Token and on United Exchange. If we talk about the procedure like how can you purchase CNT coin, so you just have to go to the Play Store, download Cryptos Exchange application and you can register your account. If we talk about the registration process on CryptoX exchange, so you have to sign up on CryptoX exchange, then you can purchase or deposit USDT to your wallet, buy CNT coin through USDT and P2P withdrawal and transactions are available. The registration process and the process to start the Century Coin staking has been also displayed on your screen through a complete picturization. Directly, we talk about the complete business and income plan. So friends, here Century Network is providing great benefit in the form of their airdrop program, where you will get a sign-off bonus 100 CNT coin and the referral bonus of 100 CNT. Once you have completed your sign-up, now you can start your staking plan and you can enjoy your mining rewards. Here first of all, if we talk about the staking program, minimum staking can be done of 500 coins, and with the only if we talk about the VIP staking packages where are available, so the packages 1 can be started with the 50,000 coins, where you will get staking bonus of 0.8% daily mining bonus on staking coins. If we talk about the package 2, so the value of package is 1 lakh coins, where you will get staking reward of 1% mining bonus on staking coin, and here the minimum locking period is of 12 months. If you also associate yourself with this platform, then you are going to get the benefit of different type of bonus, which are the direct referral bonus, mining bonus, community staking bonus and reward. So first of all, if we talk about the direct referral bonus which you can earn from here, so you will get 10% coin on direct staking, and this is how you can enjoy this amazing benefit. This bonus which you are going to earn from this platform is the daily mining bonus, where you will be awarded with 0.6% daily mining bonus on the coins which has been staking by you. The next benefit which this platform is providing you the community staking bonus, where you can get this benefit from total 15 levels. So first of all, from level 1 you will get 20% as your community staking bonus. From level 2 you will get 12%, income from level 3 you will get 6%, from level 4 you will get 4%, from level 5 you will get 12%, from level 12 you will get 3% in each level, and from level 13 to 14 you will get 4% in each, and from level 15 you will get 5% as your great community staking bonus. With that, only if we talk about the eligibility criteria through which you can open all these levels. So first of all, in order to get the level bonus, you should have more than 1000 coins. In order to get the benefits up to 3 levels, you should have 10,000 plus coins, and that only the details of 15 levels has been displayed on your screen, where number of direct staking bonus and eligible level rewards are displayed here. Moving ahead, if we talk about the reward bonus which you can get from this platform, so if you could complete certain teams staking targets with the given time, then you will earn this amazing reward bonus. So first of all, if you have completed the team staking bonus 1 lakh coin within 7 days, then you will get a reward bonus of 3000 coins. If you have done a team staking of 5 lakh coins with the 15 days, then you will get reward bonus of 15,000. If you have completed the team staking of 25 lakh coins within 30 days, then you will get a reward bonus of 50,000 coins. And at last but not the least, if you have completed team staking of 1 crore coins within 90 days, then you will be eligible to earn great reward bonus of 1 lakh coin as a great bonus from here. So friends, likewise Century Network is the most amazing globally launched platform which is here to provide you the benefits from all over the globe moving ahead. If we talk about the complete roadmap details, so in Q1 of 2023 Century Coin launching an ecosystem designing was done. In Q2 2023 CryptoX centralized exchange launch and staking program was done. In Q3 of 2023, Red Force smart contract, and with that only the details till 2025 Q3 has been displayed on your screen so that you can know the benefits which you are going to get in near the future. So here, after discussing all these details, if we talk about some important terms and conditions, so minimum withdrawal can be done of 100 CNT coins. With that only 10% deduction on withdrawal will be done. So here the screen is displaying all the international promoters, and if you want to be part of this revolutionary platform, that total itself you can visit the official website which is the www.centurycoin.io.